Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one. We're going to do a seed haul plus a little surprise. If you've already read the title, you kind of know. I went shopping and I definitely got some seeds here. So I have made two orders, one to Beaker Creek and another to M.I. Gardner, but those are still shipping. But in the meantime, I've grabbed a couple of seeds from a local nursery. These are West Coast seeds. I believe this is a Canadian company. Yeah, it's in BC, so British Columbia. But yeah, I've actually never had West Coast seeds before, so I guess we'll see how they grow this year. The first one I got was this Solar Power Sunflower. It's really pretty. I love the orange and reds. Yeah, so it's just a sunflower. And then we also have this red cabbage, which I'm looking forward to having. I have ordered a number of different types of cabbage, but that is the only red one I have. I got these snap peas because we really love snap peas in stir fries. I ran out of seeds in 2022. So I got these ones that are called Sugar Daddy. So they look really good. They're bushy plants. So yeah, and the seed packet is like bigger than the other ones, so that's always good. I ran out of my purple carrot seed this year, so I grabbed some purple carrots. And then I also got this Copenhagen Market cabbage. So that will be fun to start. Here in Canada, we can grow a lot of cooler vegetables. So cabbage, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and all the brassicas, as well as root vegetables, grow really well here. But our summers are pretty warm, so we can still grow squash. I got this pumpkin. So it says Big Max. And honestly, I ran out of pumpkin seeds this year, and I unfortunately did not keep any. So it's one of the largest pumpkins. Yeah, and it says like big, nearly round competition pumpkins that average around 100 pounds with slightly rough red-orange skin. 120 days. So I guess we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna grow this, how many I will grow, but they're good for carving and for pies. So if I grow like one or two, I'm sure I'd get plenty for pies. And lastly, I got some borage. I have no borage seeds. I've never grown borage before. It's not something that's like, not something I've seen typically grown here. But doesn't mean it can't grow. It's just not your average pumpkin, squash, tomato, pepper. So yeah, it would be nice to grow this. If you guys are enjoying this video, consider subscribing, like, and comment down below what your favorite part of this seed haul was. So, I'm sure the real reason you're here is because of what's in this bag. So, honestly, I went a little crazy at the nursery when I saw that they were clearancing bulbs. And no, it's not really the greatest time to buy bulbs, but I bought them anyways, and I'm going to store them for next year, and hopefully we'll get something. I've never done this before. Usually if I get bulbs, I like either pick them up in the spring and plant them, or I'll get pick them up in the fall and plant them for the following season, but we'll just see. Anyways, so the first one I got was this Triumph Tulip. It's a classic pink variety. Very pretty. I got most of these for the new property. So we'll see how that works out. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. I didn't lose that much money. Again, these were 70% off, so we got really lucky. There's this Drumline Double Peony Tulip, which is one of my favorites. This like dark purpley pink is so pretty. And then next is this Licorice Twist. So these are also tulips. They look super pretty. I love the two-tone colors. That'll be really nice. And then I got these Triumph tulips, and they're like black. I think they're like a deep purple, but they look black. Yeah, they're beautiful, and they have like, I don't know if you can see it, but they have like hints of red. Okay, so we also have this Jan Boss, which is also really pretty. Love the hot pink. Then we have this double purple tulip, so pretty. And lastly, I also have Rem's favorite. This is a new bulb. I love the two tones there. They contrast really nicely. Then I went home and thought that I had gotten the big bag of bulbs, and I didn't. So we had to go back and grab it. So there's this fragrance mix, which is also really, really nice. It's a mix of different types of bulbs. So this will be really nice for the new house as well. So I'm going to store these and save them hopefully for next spring. Hopefully they will be okay, because I can't plant them here. We're moving. So hopefully I can store them and they will be ready for next year. If you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button for more seed hauls, more gardening videos, and to follow us on our new journey as we buy our homestead. It's going to be a fun one. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye guys.